Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Budget Meal Friday, where we cook delicious meals that won't break the bank. Today we're going to make a one-pot taco pasta. So to a pan over medium-high heat, we're going to add 1 pound of ground beef. We're going to cook this and crumble it up to nice fine pieces. Now once the beef is done, we're going to drain the grease off. Once we drain the grease, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. Melt that down. Once the butter's melted, we're going to add in 2 cloves of minced garlic. That cook for 2 minutes. Now that that's cooked up, we're going to add in 1 ounce of taco seasoning. You can use a packet or homemade mix. One cup of chicken broth. 1 cup of beef broth. One can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. Two tablespoons of tomato paste. 1 cup of milk. 2 tablespoons of Wash Your Sister sauce. We're going to get in there and mix it all up. We're going to bring this to a boil. When it's come to a boil, we're going to add 1/2 pound of medium shells. Make sure it's all mixed up nice and well. We're going to cover and cook them until they're al dente. And now we check and see if they're done. Oh yeah. We're going to heat the low. We're going to add in 4 ounces of Easy Melt cheese. They don't sponsor me, so they don't get a shout out. 1 cup of cheddar cheese. And 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese. And we'll mix that all together. It would be smart to cut your Easy Melt cheese into cubes before you throw it in so it melts easier. Now if all the cheese melted, there ain't nothing else to do but turn off the heat. Then it's time to eat. And now it's time to dig in and bon appetit. That's really good. This costs right around 25 bucks and it feeds 6 people. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.